What's the meaning of al dente? Al dente. Al dente. Al dente. Al dente. Al dente.
Al dente is an Italian culinary term that means, to the tooth. It refers to the desired texture of cooked pasta or vegetables when they are firm to the bite but not hard or raw. When cooked al dente, the pasta or vegetables should still have a slight resistance or chewiness in the center while being fully cooked on the outside. This texture is achieved by cooking the food in boiling water for a shorter amount of time than if it were to be cooked until completely soft.